Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the previous class, we have discussed about the elementary operations, three operations, then the definition of invertible matrix, then done the one problem on elementary operations. So let us go for the next problem. By using the elementary operation, find the inverse of the matrix. He has given the A matrix. So let us solve this one. By using the elementary operations, he has given the matrix of order 2 cross 2, 1 minus 1, 2, 3. This is the matrix of order 2 cross 2. So I have to solve by using the elementary operations. So let us change this. So let us take A is equal to I into A. So what is A? We know the A. A is 1 minus 1, 2, 3 is equal to I means identity matrix of order 2 cross 2, 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. So let us change the second row changes to R2 minus 2R1. So I written symbolically R2 changes to R2 minus 2R1. So R1 will be same. We have to change the R2. Let us write the R1. 1 minus 1. Then R2 should be changed. Means R2 should be subtracted with 2R1. We have to multiply with a constant or scalar multiple to R1. Then you have to subtract the R2. So 2 minus 2R1 means 2R1 means 2 into 1. So here 2 into 1. What will get? So let us write here 2 minus 2 into 1. 1 is R1 element. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. You are getting 0. So next R2 changes to R2 minus 2R1 means 3 minus 2 into minus 1. 3 minus into minus plus 2. You are getting 5. We have to change the second row as in 0, 5. So that is equal to, let us write the first row as in same 1, 0. Then 0 minus 2 into 1. 0 minus 2, that is equal to minus 2. You are getting minus 2. Then 1 minus 2 into 0. Then 1 minus 2 into 0 is 0. Then you are getting 1. So this is A. So now we have got the here 0. We have to make this A as an identity matrix. So now we have to remove the 5. So let us go for the R2 only. R2 changes to 1 by 5 into R2. You know the second operation with K into, we are multiplying with a row. So multiply 1, first row will be same 1 minus 1. So 0 into 1 by 5 means 0. 1 by 5 or 1 by 5 into 5 means you are getting 5 get cancelled. Your remaining is 1. So let us go for the next here. So first row 1 0, then multiply with this minus 1 by 5 into minus 2 means minus 2 by 5 you are getting. Again 1 by 5 into 1 means 1 by 5 only. So write A like that only. So then now let us change. We got the second row as 0 1. Now you have to change here minus 1 as a 0. So R1 changes to R1 plus R2. If you add R1 with R2, what you will get? Let us see. So you have to write here R1 changes to R1 plus R2. We are changing the R1, so 1 plus 0 is 1 only. Then 1 minus 1, minus 1 plus 1, 0. Then you have to write the second version same, 0, 1. That is equal to, so we are changing the first row. 1 plus of minus 1 plus of minus 2 by 5 means 1 minus 2 by 5. You have to take the LCM. The LCM is on 5. 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3 by 5. So you are getting 3 by 5. So 3 by 5. Then 0 plus 1 by 5 means 1 by 5 only. Then minus 2 by 5. Second row is same. You have to write 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. Then into A. So we got here identity matrix. So now we can write A inverse is equal to 3 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, then 1 by 5. So this is the answer we got. Now to verify means, let us verify. So A into A inverse. If you multiply A into A inverse, you should get identity matrix. Then we can know that if you got identity matrix, then the answer is correct. So let us see. Let us write the A. 1 minus 1, 2, 3. Then if you want to multiply with the inverse, 3 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 1 by 5. So if you multiply, you know how to multiply the two matrices. So first row should be multiplied with first column. 1 into 3 by 5 is 3 by 5, minus into minus plus 2 by 5. Then first row second column, 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5. The next second row first column, 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6, 6 by 5, then 3 2s are minus 6 by 5, then 2 1s are 2 by 5, then 3 1s are 3 by 5. So here denominators are same, LCM is 5, 3 plus 2. So plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 get cancelled, you are getting 0. 6 by 5 plus 6 by 5 minus 6 by 5 get cancelled, you are getting 0. Then here denominators are same, so LCM is 5, 2 plus 3, then that is equal to 5 by 5, 0, 0, 5 by 5, then 1, 0, 0, 1. You got the identity matrix. So this is a very important problem. These are the very important problems for 3 marks compulsory question for your annual exams. Let us go for the third problem by using the elementary operations. Find the inverse of the matrix. He has given the matrix A 2 1 1 1 of order 2 cross 2. Let us take the A 2 1 1 1. Then take down A is equal to I into A. So let us write the A 2 1 1 1. So is equal to identity matrix 1 0 0 1 into A. So our intention is to make A as an identity matrix. So here in the second row, in the last previous problem we had changed the R2. Now let us go for the changing of first row. R1 changes to R1 minus R2. No need of multiplication any scalar multiple to a row. So here R1 minus R2. So R1 we have to change. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then you have to write the second row as in same 1, then 1. That is equal to, change here, 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus 1 is 0 minus 1 is minus 1, then second row is 0, 1 into A. So very simple problem. So now let us change R2. R2 changes to R2 minus R1. R2 changes to R2 minus R1. So now let us change here. R1 is same 1 0. We have to change the R2. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. That is equal to, so here 0. We have to write the first row and same 1 minus 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 1 minus of minus 1 means plus 1 means you are getting 2 here. So into A. So therefore A inverse is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 2. We got the A inverse is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 2. Let us verify by using the A into A inverse. So A is 2 1 1 1. If you multiply with inverse, what is the inverse? 1 minus 1 minus 1 2. If you multiply, so what you are getting? First row, first column. 2 into 1 is 2. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Then first row, second column, minus 2. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 1 into plus 2 is plus 2. Then second row, first column, 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Then second row, second column, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 1 into plus 2 is plus 2. So we are getting 2 minus 1 is 1, plus 1 plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled, plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So here 0. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So we got the identity matrix. So A inverse value is right. Okay, let us go for the fourth problem. By using the elementary operations, find the inverse of the matrix. He has given the A matrix. A is equal to 1 3 2 7 of order 2 cross 2. Let us take an A. A is equal to 1 3 2 7. So then we have to take A is equal to I into A. So let us write here A 1 3 2 7. Then that is equal to I is an identity matrix of order 2 cross 2. So 1 0 0 1. So into A. So we have to make A as an identity matrix. So we have to use the elementary operations. So by using elementary operations, you have to make this as an A as an identity matrix. So let us change here. R2 changes to R2 minus 2R1 to R1. So let us change here. So let us write the R1 as in same 1 3. Then you have to change R2. R2 means R2 first element is 2. 2 minus here 2R1. 2R1 first element is 1. Means 2 into 1. That is equal to 2 into 1 is 2, 2 minus 2, you are getting 0, plus 2 minus 2 are get cancelled. So R2 first element we got 0. So now let us go for the R2 changes to second element of R2. Second element of R2 is 7. 7 minus 2 into 0, 2 into R1 element is 3. So 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. We are getting 1. R2 second element is 1. So here let us change here. The first row is same 1 0. Then go for the second row. Second row first element is 0. 0 minus 2R1 means 2 into 1. So 0 minus 2 is minus 2. We got minus 2. Then second row second element is 1. 1 is there, 1 minus 2 into 0 is there, so into 0, then 1 minus 0 is 1. You got here 1, so into A. Now let us change so we got the second row as in 0, 1. Now let us go for the first row. First row change it to R1 minus 3R1. We have to multiply with, we have to multiply with 3 or 2. So for R2 we should multiply with 3, then what we will get, let us see. So we are changing the first row. So first row, first element is 1 minus 3 into 0. 3 into 0, R2 element is 0. So 1 minus 3 into 0 is 0, then you are getting 1. So first row, first element is 1. So let us go for the second element of first row. Second element of first row is 3. 3 minus 3 into 3 minus 3 into R2 element is 1. Then what you are getting, 3 minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled, you are getting 0. So R1 second element is 0. Then write the second row same, 0, 1. Then that is equal to, so we are changing the first row here. So first row, first element is 1 minus 3, R2 element is minus 2 here. So R2 element is minus 2. So if you multiply here, 1 minus into minus plus 6, that is equal to, you are getting 7. So you are getting the 7 here. R1 first element is 7. Then R1 first element is 0. Then R1 first element is 0 minus 3 into R2. Minus 3 into R2 element is 1. Then 0 minus 3, that is equal to minus 3 we got. So minus 2, 1. So this is the second row. You have to write the same. So we got the A inverse. So let us take A as an inverse. A inverse is equal to 7 minus 3 minus 2, 1. We got this answer. Let us verify this one by using A into A inverse. So you should get the identity matrix. What is an A? 1, 3, 2, 7 is an A. The inverse value is 7 minus 3, then minus 2, 1. So this is the value of A inverse. Let us multiply. You know how to multiply. So multiplication of this two matrices, first row should be multiplied with first column. 1 into 7 is 7, then 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. So first row, second column, minus 3, then 3 into plus 1 is 3, then second row, first column, 7 2s are 14, then 7 2s are 14 minus 14. Here second row, second column, minus 6 plus 7. So we are getting, what is the answer? We are getting 7 minus 6 is 1, plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled, you are getting 0, plus 14 minus 14 cancel 0, then here 1. So we got the identity matrix. So the A inverse value is right. So let us go for the next problem, fifth problem. So by using the elementary operations, find the inverse of the matrix A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. So let us take A. A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. So then A is equal to I into E. So what is the value of A here? A is 2, 3, 5, 7. Then I is identity matrix of order 2 cross 2, 1, 0, 0, 1 you have to take into A. Then so we have to apply here. So elementary operations. So let us change the R2 changes to R2 minus 2R1. So R2 changes to R2 minus 2R1. So if you change, what you are getting here, so let us write here. So 2, 3, the first row will be same. The second row, you have to change here. 5. So here 5 minus 2 R1. R1 is 2. Then 5 minus 4, you are getting 1. So we got the 5 minus 4 is 1. R2 first element. Now let us go for the second element of R2. R2 second element is 7. 7 minus the first element of R1 is 3. So that is 2 into 3. So 7 minus 6, you are getting 1. You are getting here 1. That is equal to So let us write the first two, R1, 1, 0. And we have to change the R2 here. R2 first element is 0. 0 minus 2 R1. R1 is 1. Then 0 minus 2 is, you are getting minus 2. You are getting minus 2. Then again, you have to go for the R2 changes to R1 means 1 minus 2 into 0. Then 1 minus 0 is 1. You are getting here 1 into E. So now let us change the R1. R1 changes to R1 minus R2. R1 changes to R1 minus R2. What you are getting here? So here we are not multiplying with any number to R2. So we are directly subtracting with R1 to R2. So R1 means 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So we are not changing that R2. So 1 minus 1, 1 you are writing here. So again, let us go for this one. Here 1 minus of minus 2 means 1 minus of minus 2 means minus into minus plus. Here 3 becomes 0 minus 1 means minus 1. So minus 2, 1 we got into E. So now let us change here. So we have to change here this one as an what we have to change here. You should get the 0. Let us go for the R2 changes to R2 minus R1. R2 minus R1. So if you change R2 minus R1, what you are getting here? So R2, you should change the R2. R1 is 1, 2. So let us change 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Then that is equal to 3 minus 1 will be same. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Then my 1 minus into minus plus means 2 you are getting. So we got this one. So here we have to remove here minus. So let us remove the minus here. R2 changes to minus 1 into R2. Then you are getting here 1, 2, then 0. You are multiplying with minus 1. Minus 1 into 0 is 0. Minus 1 into 1 is plus 1. So we have changed it 0, 1. We got the positive number. Again, let us go for here this matrix 3 minus 1. So you have to change the multiply with minus 1. If you multiply for minus 1, you are getting minus 1 into minus 5 is plus 5. Then minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 you are getting into E. So we got the second row 0, 1. So first row you should change here. So first row should be changed. R1 is changes to R2. Sorry, R1 minus 2R2. 2R2. So 2R2. So R1 is here. R1 is 1 minus 2 into 1. Then 1 minus. Sorry. So R1 should be changed. R1 minus 2 into 0. Then 1 minus 0. Then you are getting 1. So the first element is 1 you got. Then you have to change the second element. The second element is 2 minus 2 into 1. Then you are getting 2 into minus 2 means you are getting 0. So second row will be 0, 1. So let us change the in this matrix. So we have to change the R1. So R1 is 3 minus 2R2. 2R2 means 2 into 5. 2 into 5 means 3 minus 2 5 are 10. You are getting minus 7. So you are getting here minus 7. Then R1 is minus 1 minus 1. A minus 1 minus 2 into minus 2. Then you are getting minus 1 minus into minus plus 2 plus minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4. So 4 minus 1 is 3. We got the 3 here. R1 first element is 3 we got. So second one we should not change. So 5 minus 2 into A. So therefore A inverse is equal to what we got? Minus 7, 3, 5, minus 2 we got. So this is the answer. We want to verify this one. Let us verify this one. A into, by using A into A inverse is equal to, so A value is 2, 3, 5, 7, then into minus 7, 3, 5, minus. Let us multiply. You know how to multiply the two matrices. The first two should be multiplied with the first column. 2 into minus 7 is minus 14. Then 3 into minus 5 is plus 15. Then first row second column 3 into 2 is 6. Then 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Then second row first column 5 into minus 7 is minus 35. Then plus 7 into minus plus 5 is plus 35. Then 5 into 3 is 15. And 7 into minus 2 is minus 14. So then here minus 14 plus 15 is 1. Then plus 6 minus 6 cancel, you are getting 0. Plus 35 minus 35 get cancel, you are getting 0. Plus 15 minus 14 is 1. So you got the identity matrix. So you are very fast. So we got the A into A inverse is I. Then the A inverse answer is correct. Take down the assignment problems on by using the elementary operations find the inverse of the matrix. So for today, the first problem is 2174, the second problem is 2513, then third problem is 3152, then fourth is 4534, then fifth problem is 31027. Then for the tomorrow, next 5 problems you have to solve. The first is 3 minus 1 minus 4 2. Second is 2 minus 6 1 minus 2. Third is 6 minus 3 minus 2 1. Then fourth problem is 2 minus 3 minus 1 2. Then fifth problem is 2 1 4 2. You have to solve this problems, 10 problems. So these are the very important problems for your annual examination. Compulsory one question will be for 3 marks.